for the job. An electric body groomer is great for guys who want speed and efficiency. But most important, the skin protector will make sure there's no direct contact between the blades and your crown jewels. Don't worry, man. I'm not going to show you my. For your longer hairs, you want to click on this comb to pre-trim to 3 millimeters. I like to manscape in the shower. It just makes for an easier cleanup. This trimmer is also bi-directional, so it grabs the annoying hairs that grow in every direction. Don't be shy now. Grab the tip of your best friend and pull it in order to make the skin tight. This will make it a lot easier to trim. Take your trimmer and gently glide it up and down your man tackle. You don't need to press too hard. It'll work just fine without it. When you start working your way down to the marbles, click on the skin protector to get the closest results. Pull the skin tight and move the trimmer in any direction that feels comfortable for you. And that's it, playa. Let that bald eagle fly free.